For most people, time is certainly their most precious commodity. A lot of home buyers are looking for a beautiful house to call home that also allows the flexibility to just lock the door and get away whenever they see fit. I've got a wonderful place to show you today. It offers a ton of desirable features, including a 1.5 car garage, a 2-car driveway, a basement walkout, backing onto green space, and on top of all that, it's only a couple years new. If you like what you see, be sure to give Ryan a ring.